Imagine you've had a wonderful night out at a fancy restaurant. You ordered some delicious delicacies, sipped on some exquisite wine, and were ready to pay for it. Suddenly, the final bill almost gives you a heart attack. Why? Well, it included the cost for the food, drinks, tax, and even the tip for the waiter. In the world of international shipping, this total bill is exactly what landed cost equates to. The landed cost is basically the total cost of getting a product from the production facility to your customer's doorstep. It covers all expenses including shipping fees, insurance, and any customs and duties payable when the goods cross borders. So how do you calculate this monstrosity called landed cost? It's not rocket science, it's just basic maths. The components you need to factor in are the price of the product, cost of transportation, customs duties and taxes, possible other regulatory fees, and finally, the insurance costs. Yes, insurance too. You might lose your shipment to Davy Jones' locker, you never know. Another major advantage of knowing your landed cost is that it gives your customers a clear breakdown of costs at checkout. This transparency increases their confidence in your service and eliminates any hidden surprises. Also, who doesn't like knowing where their money is going, right? Basically, it's just good manners. In conclusion, knowing your landed cost is crucial to avoiding an "oops, I didn't know that was so expensive" scenario. It keeps you in tune with your profit margins, helps you refine your pricing strategies, and delights your customers with an honest cost breakdown. Because when it comes to running a business or eating out, nobody likes unpleasant surprises. Remember, forearmed is forewarned. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.